Hello everybody, Jose Rodriguez here. Back many years ago, we got a hold of a leaked service manual for the Canon 9500 Mark II, where it distinctly stated that those cleaning cycles, the timed ones, could be basically stopped by just printing something. Of course, that turned out to be untrue. Maybe it was for the 9500, but we continue to apply that philosophy to the newer models and totally wrong. Printing does not do a thing to disable those timed cleaning cycles, and they occur on the Pro 100, the Pro 10, the Pro 1, and even these printers here. Although this is a lot smarter and it has different thinking, if you will, it will perform cleaning cycles as needed and not necessarily at a timed set period. So don't think that you can get QImage Ultimate or QImage 1 and run the so-called unclog tool and schedule it to try to beat or negate or get ahead of those cleaning cycles. Doesn't work. It will definitely help to keep the printer exercised, definitely, but it's not going to stop those cleaning cycles. Okay, that is etched in stone. They will occur. And with Canon printers that utilize thermal printhead technology, especially with the pigment ink type Canon printers, you are generating, as I have said before in numerous other videos, some residue as the heating process heats, evaporates almost that ink and spits it onto the paper. There's going to be a gradual increase on a certain, I don't know what to call it, sediment, buildup, residue, and that has to be flushed out periodically. It's not going to be that time 60 hour, 120 hour. It's going to be as needed while you are printing. So you may be printing a large batch of prints for a customer, and somehow after the 12th print, you might see it run a cleaning cycle before it starts printing that 13th print, for instance. So it will do it as needed. It's not going to be exactly at a time interval every single time. Okay? So just remember that there's no way you can disable that or beat it or whatever you want to call it. Those cleaning cycles are going to take place regardless. It's just something you have to accept and live with a Canon thermal printhead type unit. All right? I wish everyone would hear and see and watch these videos before they make a purchase. Yeah, I've had people tell me that. Thank you so much for keeping me from making a mistake. Well, this printer is not a mistake by any means. It is a wonderful machine and I am in love with it still to this day. It's just that you have to know and learn its needs, its intricacies, if you will, idiosyncrasies, whatever you want to call it. This is a lovely girl, but she's a high maintenance girl, and you have to accept that from the very beginning. All right, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And as always, happy printing, everybody. Bye bye.